are watching Kiddos Kaleidoscope.
Together we play, together we learn. In our classroom where fun takes every turn. Hello!
A is for apple. Awesome, autumn, and absolutely appleicious. B is for ball. Bouncing, bright, and full of play, bringing joy to every day.
C is for crab. Clever, curious, and full of coastal cheer. A tiny friend we're glad is here.
D is for dog. A devoted and darling friend. E is for elephant. Enormous, empathetic, and excellent in every way. A gentle giant who saves the day.
A to Z, come sing with us. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day. F is for fish. Fast, friendly, and full of wonder.
G is for giraffe. Gentle, graceful, and grand.
H is for horse. Happy, helpful, and strong as can be. A wonderful friend for you and me.
I is for iguana. Incredible, insightful, and interesting in every way. A sun-soaked friend of the jungle day.
J is for jar. Jolly, joyful, full of treats inside, keeping yummy things snug with pride. K is for kite. Kicky, colorful, and flying so high, dancing and playing.
L is for lion. Loyal, leader of the land.
M is for monkey. Merry, mischievous, and munching on bananas. The most fun in all the jungles.
N is for nightingale. Nimble, nice, and truly notable.
O is for owl. Observant, outstanding, and oh so wise.
A to Z, come sing with us. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day.
P is for penguin. Playful, plucky, and perfectly cool. Q is for quail. Quick, quiet, and oh so quaint. R is for rabbit. Ready, rambunctious, and really, really fast. S is for star. Shiny, sparkling, and sweet dreams from afar.
T is for tiger. Tremendous, tenacious, and truly majestic.
U is for umbrella bird. Unique, unmistakable, and utterly cool. The rainforest's living umbrella rule.
V is for vulture. Valuable, vigilant, and vital to the skies.
W is for
whale.
watermelon. Wonderful, waterful, and oh so sweet.
full of song.
A perfect summer treat. X is for xylophone. Excellent, exciting, and extra musical.
Y is for yak. Yawning, yodeling, and wonderfully woolly.
Z is for zebra. Zippy, zesty, and dazzling in every way.
A to Z, come sing with us. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day.
Together we clap, together we sing,
Learning new things that joy will bring.
Great job, everyone!
Together we play.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.